Reasons to dance. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I want to tell you about reasons to dance. You know, it lifts your mood, improves learning abilities, builds self-esteem. Yeah. And you know what? Self-esteem is the most important thing. Keeps your brain fit, keeps your body fit and able. Boosts mental health, boosts your immune system. You know, reduces stress. It makes you feel, dance makes you feel happier. It's like a therapy. It has anti-aging effects, improves skin tone and color, improves sleeping patterns, helps prevent strokes. You know, dance improves joint function. Dance improves muscle strength. You know, alleviates anxiety. So if you have anxiety, dance is so good for you. Yeah, it is like a therapy, you know, for your body, for your beautiful mind, for your beautiful body, for your beautiful soul, if you believe. You know, sharpness memory helps to control addictions. Dance boosts productivity, boosts creative thinking, you know. Dance improves body image. It can give you confidence, improves eating habits, helps you keep focused, especially when you're dancing on choreography. It helps you keep focused and increases longevity. Yeah, so just dance and have fun and be healthy. Dear Unique, if you like my video, like, share it, and subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. What do you think about dancing? Do you love dance? I mean, yeah. And always remember, there is only one you. You cannot take someone else's place. No one can take your place. Yeah. Love you. Bye.